Today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord when it won't open or start. We've tested all these methods and are now sharing them with you. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, so I'll guide you through several steps to find what works for you. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. First, let's try clearing Discord's cache. This can help resolve issues caused by temporary files or corrupted data that might be preventing Discord from opening properly. To do this, access the Run dialog by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you're in, type %appdata% and hit Enter. You'll see a folder named Discord. Inside, find 3 folders: Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Simply delete these. If you can't delete them, Discord might still be running in the background. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Alt+Delete. Search for Discord, right-click it, and choose End Task. Then try deleting the cache again. Don't worry about removing these folders. They'll regenerate when you launch Discord again. Step 2. Run Discord as administrator. If that didn't work, try running the app as an administrator. Find the Discord shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and go to Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked and that it's set to run as an administrator. Hit Apply and OK. Step 3. Scan for corrupt or missing system files. If that doesn't work, the next step is to scan your system for any corrupt or missing files. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the black window that appears, type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. It may take a few minutes, but this will check your system for issues and repair anything problematic. Step 4. Check your firewall settings. It's also possible that your firewall is blocking Discord. Search for Windows Defender in the Start menu and click on Windows Defender Firewall. On the left, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings, then choose Allow another app. Browse to find Discord. If you don't know where it's installed, click on the desktop shortcut, select Open File Location, and copy that path. Paste it in the Browse field, select the update file, add it, and make sure both private and public are checked. Step 5. Perform a clean reinstall. If none of these steps work, the last option is to do a clean reinstall of Discord. Search for Programs in the Start menu, choose Add or Remove Programs, find Discord, and click the 3 dots to uninstall. Once uninstalled, just head to discord.com and download it again. Final thoughts. Hopefully these steps have helped fix the issue. Still, if none of these methods work, try installing an older version of Discord. It often works in most cases. If you're still experiencing problems, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Until next time.